Let's quickly select the motion file that we need for the animation and select all the fabrics we have used in this garment, and then we will go for the properties, physical properties, and change the property details as we need for the animation. The numbers will be attached to the screen. The garment we are using is I have made it already earlier. You can find it on my YouTube channel, the making of this garment. Uh, so these are the properties that I like to use for my any kind of animation that we need. Then I will select all the patterns and change the particle distance to 10 for smooth animation. This will make the garments lost some of these details, and but without all these settings the animation is stuck. And you can see I have already increased my collision thickness in there to 0.05 to 2.5. Let's simulate and see what our garment looks like. You can see the garment is going down so much, so I need to increase the stretch, weft, and warp value. You can play with the number. Remember, the value should be under 60. Once you are satisfied with the numbers, you can switch to animation panel. There you can see our animation. Make sure the simulation quality is selected to stable. Click on this icon to start the animation process. After the animation is captured, I will select a scenery from my assets. I will select open and align bottom to ground. Here is my scenery and lighting, but I will change the lighting a little bit from the render. Here you can find the render and property editor. In the property editor, maintain ratio, change the resolution to 4K and go to lighting settings, change the light intensity of dome light to 0.5 and rectangle light 1 to 5. So this is all our setup. Image to animation, play region, save video, save GIF, 30 fps. I will select the 30 fps and we are ready to go. So this is the final render of my animation. Thanks for watching my video. I'm not fluent in English, so if you guys have any problem understanding my video, my talking, please consider it, and thanks.